Hey Shooby-Doodlers, how are you doing? Well, on Draw Stuff Real Easy today, I'm going to show you how to draw a really simple rose for, I don't know, a card for Valentine's Day or something like that. Now, we're drawing this nice curve like that, and then we curve at the ends a little bit too. From this end we want to draw is just a great big curve going down to the bottom there. And then we want another one coming across there like that. And then we're going to want to need another one a bit like that, and another one probably starting about there and down, and then maybe we'll have a little kind of wiggle at the top too. To get the feel of the rose petal, we're going to draw a line like that, and it's going to have a little M in it, and then across to there. Here we're going to have this kind of M shape in there. And there, maybe a little kind of a V shape, an upside down V, isn't it, that one? We can maybe do that there, and across like that as well. So now here we want to have the sepals, and they will be these sort of triangular, curvy triangular kind of things going on here. We'll have another one there, another one there, and then we want to have two little curves coming down. It's kind of the bud bit underneath the flower, and then we want to have it coming down the stem like that. I'm not going to put thorns on it because this is going to be a kind of a single rose you would want to give to the one you love. I'm going to bring that down there, and then I'm going to curve that back sort of around like that. Then I'm going to curve back, and I'm going to get slightly wider, and then carry on all the way down there. And then I'll do a similar thing here, just go a little bit further down, and then out there, and then just getting slightly thicker and back again. Now here we're going to want to have a slight curve there, and a slight curve there, slight curve there, and a slight curve there. And these are going to be the leaves. So that will want to be a curve going that way, and a curve going that way, a curve going that way, and a curve going that way. And you got the idea. And of course, you know, while you're doing this, you can stop and start, and you can replay anytime you like. Go back to the beginning and watch it all over again. And then we're going to want to have little bits like this for the veins in each leaf. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more real easy how to draw videos. So we're drawing these little bits in here like that. And then I think what I'm going to do is put these little lines down the middle like that of the sepals, and I'm going to add a little bit of shadow just there, a tiny bit of shadow. And then all you need to do is to colour in your rose a beautiful Valentine's bright red for love, and then the leaves and the stem will be in green. And there you go, how to draw a beautiful Valentine's rose real easy. Make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy. Keep coming back for lots more drawings. And in the meantime, keep drawing. Practice. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.